You ever have one random photo on your laptop and think, yeah, that's kind of nice, but what if it moved? Well, turns out, I can make that happen, and not just some boring slideshow stuff. I'm talking about full-blown cinematic motion, straight out of a movie trailer. No editing skills, no After Effects, just vibes, and a little runway magic. Welcome to NextGen AI Lab, where your creativity meets the power of AI. And today, I'm going to show you how RunwayML takes a single picture and turns it into a mini-movie in under 2 minutes. If that sounds like your kind of magic, hit subscribe, and let's make something amazing together. All right, before we do anything cool, let's get you into the website. So just open up your browser, and in the address bar, type this in, runwayml.com. That's runwayml.com. Once the page loads, hit that big Get Start button at the top right. If you already have a Google account, you can just sign in with one click, super fast, and boom, you're in. Welcome to the Runway dashboard. Now don't let all the buttons scare you. We're going to take it slow. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and you'll be generating your first AI video in just a minute. All right, once you're inside Runway, things might look a little busy at first, but don't worry. You're mostly going to use just two things: generate image, generate videos. Let's start with images. Click Generate Image, and you'll see a chat box pop up. Think of this like texting an AI artist. You just type what you want to see. For example, let's go with something fun. A dog wearing sunglasses sitting at a beach cafe during sunset. Yeah, why not? Before you hit generate, you can tweak a few settings. Aspect ratio, like 3:4 or 16:9, depending on your needs. Number of images to export at a time. Image quality, go ahead and set it to 1080p. And how many images you want. For now, let's just do one. Then hit generate, and bam, you've got a unicorn cruising in style. First, make sure you're in video mode, not image. Then click Select Asset and upload the photo you want to animate. I'm using this one, a dog chilling at a beach cafe. Total vacation vibes. Now in the prompt box, just describe what you want the video to do. Something simple like, the dog lifts its head slightly and the ocean waves move behind it. No need to overthink it, just write what you'd see in a short film. Then choose your settings. Length. Start with 5 seconds. Aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok. Hit generate and give it a moment. In under 2 minutes, your still image becomes a cinematic clip. With motion, lighting, camera moves. It's pretty wild what AI can do. And that's how one photo turns into a full cinematic clip. No crew, no editing, just pure AI magic. If that blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started. This is NextGen AI Lab, where ideas don't stay still.